it's still a...
Alrighty, what do we got here? Jeez, it's... Run, Pumbaa, move it!
Hey, Timon, it's just a little... Look at him. He's so cute and all alone. Can we keep him?
Pumbaa, are you nuts? You're talking about a... eat guys like us.
But he's so little.
He's gonna get bigger.
Maybe he'll be on our side.
That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Maybe he'll be... Hey, I've got it. What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea.
So we're keeping him?
Of course. Who's the brains of this outfit? My point exactly. Jeez, I'm fried. Let's get out of here and find some shade.